This is Bruges or Brooke station. It's lifts all the time. Now to the first lift, which is a really nice futuristic ThyssenKrupp Mark II MRL going up to the plaza. Let's ride it!
It's a futuristic ThyssenKrupp Mark II MRL. It goes up to the plaza, and it's really nice.
Now we go to the next lift, which is a non-futuristic ThyssenKrupp MRL going from a plaza up to a hotel.
A non-futuristic ThyssenKrupp Mark II MRL that goes from the plaza up to the hotel. That's very nice of the non-futuristic ThyssenKrupp.
And now we go to the next lift, which is a 90s generic.
A 90s generic. That's awesome to ride against the modern generics.
And now, we now go into the train station itself and to the lifts that go up to the platforms. These are some really nice ThyssenKrupp's posh and mid-height range of MRL. Let's ride it!
It's a posh range of ThyssenKrupp MRL in the train station. Good looking ThyssenKrupp that goes from concourse and platform.
And now we go to some really nice posh range of ThyssenKrupp MRLs going down to the underground car park.
It's a posh range of ThyssenKrupp MRL. It goes down to the underground car park.